徒步了。今天我们地点是那儿 Horsetail Waterfalls， 中文翻译就说马尾巴瀑布。为什么？因为山顶上还有一个湖叫金字塔湖，那水是从那块儿来的。这面山基本上岩石特别多，所以水流下来之后呢，它又比较陡嘛，所以说水都散开了，就像马尾巴一样。这边景色真的特别棒，尤其夏天，就说如果花都开了，这树都绿的话，这个景色真的很棒。但现在你看周围很多就说这树都被烧了，这怎么回事呢？去年夏天，加州经历了一场差不多是有史以来最严重的山火。我们住在北内华达嘛，但周围说太浩湖附近，不论是南面啦、北面啦、东面、西面，可以说全方位的全在着火。刚开始呢以为是去年干旱嘛，但后来查明都是人为原因。像这个地方，之前夏天这个火叫 Horsetail Fire， 这是由一对父子，就说两人真是有点可能就说脑有问题吧，两人就是纵火把人给烧了。刚开始一起小火，后来越着越大。这最后的结果是大概烧了200多英亩，给我们搞得去年夏天的话，几乎都没有时间出来玩，因为整天都是乌烟瘴气的，你根本没法出去做户外运动啊、跑步什么的。所以你看周围这些树林烧了200多亩，这些树林的话，可以说之前在这儿已经长了几十年、几百年到之前那种状况，就一下1个月时间全都烧没了，真是太可惜了。可以说，哎呀，真是不知道该怎么说。反正就说希望那对父子能从这件事儿来得到一些好的认识，别太难听了，我不想说吧。反正就说，但愿以后这种事情能够避免吧。
So it's a little strange for me, mainly because this is the first time I've been out on this trail. I know it was probably absolutely gorgeous before, but now most of it's just burnt to a crisp. Obviously there's still some life, things that are growing back, but still not ideal. I wish I could have seen this before it was burnt. But eventually, hopefully within 10 years or so, maybe it'll feel a lot greener and will look a lot nicer. Look at this, complete charcoal. Fire was very, very hot. The Caldor fire was absolutely massive and burned approximately 221,835 acres in the El Dorado National Forest and other surrounding areas. The fire destroyed over 1,000 structures with damage to around 80 more, and it took about 2 months just to get it under control and put out. It threatened the communities of Myers and around South Lake Tahoe, resulting in the evacuation orders for more than 20,000 people. While I absolutely love the geography in this area, it certainly made it a challenge for the firefighters having to deal with the steep rocky terrain and dense forests. Luckily, there were 0 fatalities and only 2 injuries.
Yeah.
Even with all this devastation, there was still so much beauty out here. And where there's a will, there's a way. Poor tree. Oh. But it's okay, because someone put a pine cone in here. Look at these things, they're so cool. How awesome is that? We just love how absolutely beautiful, crystal clear the water is around this area. It is freezing cold, but man, it is beautiful. Is that your pine cone? Had to put our rain gear on. It's been raining on and off for a little bit, but it's starting to pick up some. But we're good. We have our waterproof jackets. I have a little tarp for my backpack. And honestly, the rain is making everything smell so good out here. Love it. It's a decent spot to get out of the rain.
This is my man cave. This is my man cave.
Even though it's difficult to accurately measure, the Horsetail Falls are about 800 feet tall. Our trailhead started around 6,000 feet, and the top of the waterfall is about 7,200 feet. Look at this little umbrella tree. You could sit under here and take a break. Thank you all for watching, and if you love the outdoors as much as we do, show that by helping to take care of the planet and even volunteering or donating to environmental protection agencies. Till next time.